Hello, this is I am here. I am in Francois Awesome World, Part 1. Yeah, I guess you already know that. That is completely random. And I spawned on a tree when I started. And I asked my little brother to join us, but he promised, and he then didn't keep his promise. He never keeps his promise to me anyway. So I'm gonna check. Yeah, we're gonna have it for peaceful for part 1 anyway. I don't want to get killed straight away. So anyway, since Nicola lied that he's not gonna be in part 1 nor in part 2 because he never keeps his promises. So yeah, he might come sometime, but only for like 1 minute because he never keeps his promises. As you know, if you've seen that video, one of my videos, Nicola has actually only been in one of my YouTube videos of Minecraft. So yeah, that was actually the only time where he kept his promise. Yeah, I know. You never keep your promise, which is true. I underachieved with getting wood, whatever. It's easy to get wood. Just punch the tree down. And I can hear a lot of pigs snorting at me. Because I'm just... Stop snorting at me, you evil pigs. I hate you, pig. Ha! That's what you get. I too... Whatever, I don't know that. Yeah, I got too raw. Now I'm heading towards this village where I think I'm going to spend my first night. Cool horses. Yeah, and I'm sure Sad Nico's missing this video. It's going to be so awesome. Oh yes, blacksmith. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's see what goodies are in here. Oh yeah, 2 iron helmets. One could have been for Nicola, but sadly he's not joining, so he's not going to get a helmet. Unless he joins, of course. I'll just take this. Yeah, and I already look like this. If I take my helmet out, you can see anything, still. So anyway, this wasn't a very good chest, but good for starters. That last was good. Anyway, I think I should go in a watchtower in case there's another blacksmith. That house is tiny. But maybe not that tiny. Oh, I see. There's a watch. I wonder if Nico's gonna join and take me by surprise, which is probably not gonna happen. Because he never does that. And he's probably getting ashamed and probably going to come in my world anytime now, but no, because I just looked at his computer and found out that he doesn't even care. I sent Land World so he can. So I hope he will come to me. So, wow, beautiful village. Only one blacksmith, but it's okay for this village. I quite like it. But anyway, this helmet will have to wait for Nicola. I'm gonna choose a watchtower to be my house. But don't worry, this is just my house for tonight. I really need a door. There we go. And then I'm gonna get a sword. Yeah, and this is pretty much good. I sure hate that pig. It keeps noticing at me. There we go. So it looks like Nicholas not gonna join for this video. Nope, that is a horrible trade. 20 wool, pretty good. But I don't have any iron, so I didn't share any sheep. Now let's sing. Brilliant. Perfect. Are you stepping on crops? Thank you. I'm trying to plant these crops. Okay, I got 3 potatoes. Yeah, so I better kill 3 sheep. Okay, so I can go to sleep. I never even thought about that. Yeah, and I hope Nico will join. Because we only have 11 minutes of this video left. But I'm probably gonna change my mind because I normally do change my mind. So, all I can see is pigs. Aha! Is that a sheep? No. It's not a sheep. How's your pig over there? Oh yeah, perfect. 4 sheep. Perfect status. I'll need some more sheep if Nico comes. Oh, 2 wool. Okay, 3 wool. That should do, but I'm gonna try and gather some wool for Nick. Who's my little brother, as you know if you watch my other video. And by the way, that video will be minigames part 2. No. 2 more sheep. Perfect. Yes.
François, tu peux me rendre un petit service. 2 minutes. Tu arrêtes un peu. Tu arrêtes un peu. Ça, c'est joli.
Non, je fais vidéo.
Ah, tu ne peux pas t'arrêter. Quand tu peux t'arrêter, tu me dis.
Okay. Sorry, that was my
Ça, c'est toujours les Lego.
Non, faut pas parler, ça va sur YouTube.
D'accord.
Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna go home and yeah. I can hear that horrible sound. Yeah. So decided I'm gonna add 1 more minute on my clock timer. Yeah, that's in French. It says 10 minutes left. But as you already know, there's 10 minutes left. So anyway, I'm just gonna count these down. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my watchtower home, which I think is over here. So do not. What is this? Oh, confusing. Oh, it's this over here, I think. No, it's one of those two. The one with a door. This one. Oh, hi, villager. It's a 20 rule one. But I don't care. I don't want your 20 rule. I'm gonna make a bed for Nicola, so he doesn't get too sad. Oh yeah, I'll make some bread. Yeah, the downstairs bed is his, and I'll sleep upstairs. Ah, I'm sleepy now. Woo! It's morning! Yeah, okay, I know that timer. Yeah, this stupid villager, I don't care about you. And he's like, huh? But he didn't hear anything. And he goes, who would you like? I would like nothing from you, stupid villager. Not that any of these give me a very good grade. Hello, donkey. No. He's like, for respects. And oh yeah, I have a bonus chest. I'm supposed to have a bonus chest. And I have to go back to those trees. Oh my, I'm sad. And I'm just gonna visit this. Interesting, not interesting place actually. Okay. Now I don't know what forest it is. But I'll have to get this. I got some armor, I got a wooden sword. Not very useful. I hope it's this one because I really need a whole chest. As you can see, I haven't really been doing a lot. All I've been doing is walking around, worrying that Nicole won't be in the video. But looks like he really won't, because he doesn't really care at all. He's that kind of annoying little boy you might have. Yeah, and there's 6 minutes of the video left. Cool, okay. Good for some stone, maybe some coal. So, I'm gonna get a bit more of this stone and then yeah, so I'm gonna I cannot find. Look at it. I can't cobblestone. Maybe it's here. I bet it was. Just a bit. Okay. I think there's one here. I don't know. I know I'm near for my start point. Let's find an unnatural thing. I mean tree. Ah, it's over there. There's 4 minutes left of this video. You probably think it's boring. Yeah, I know it is. In part 2, I'll already have a little house done. Not big one though. Where is it? Keep bending it. Yeah, so you're gonna get bored and probably skip this part. I hope you don't, because that wouldn't be very nice. That's a bit too near. This is getting really annoying. I give up looking for that bonus chest. When Nicola comes to my world, he might find it, so yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go home and buy a new sword and pick axe. And I hope Nicola's gonna come because we only have 3 minutes of the video left. Yeah. So I'm not losing any hunger. We're all looking into the well. 10 emeralds for a compass. Seriously, that guy is crazy. No. That should do something useful. Ah, 21 wheat. Oh, come on. I hate getting stuck in the well. The last time I got stuck in the well, Nicola helped me out, but he's having a beam. Oh, I hate getting stuck in the well. Feels really bad. I'm gonna sing. Come on. Yeah. Finally, something to get out. I'm probably gonna harvest some wheat. Yeah, this is probably not a lot of fun. So I stopped the timer and I'm gonna be naughty and probably do a few more minutes. How long can that be? Make your parents angry, you might say. Or make you angry. But I'm sure you enjoyed it. I hope. Otherwise I don't think I'll be very happy. Or something, you know. Okay, I need to get some more wheat. You probably get a bit bored of these villagers. No. Gosh, these cars are really. Why did it keep going here? This guy might not have a good trade. Seriously? Oh, I take back what I said. Whatever I said. Yeah, and I'm probably. You probably think I'm a bit naughty for making it so long for you. So I promise you, there'll be 2 more minutes. Hee. So, I hope you put dreams us at the last second. If not, well, we're doomed or something. I've got enough of these villagers. No. No. Aha. I got an emerald. Now let's see if they have a good trade for an emerald. Like a 3 diamonds or something. Nope, that is not a very good trade. Wait, what? 4 emeralds for like that would have been good if I did. Wait, what? 4 bread? Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about what emeralds. You might think that was stupid, but I don't care. And he's kind of very poison or something. So, I'm gonna just about end the video here. So, I hope you liked it. And yeah, I hope you liked it. And I'm gonna make a chest. And please do subscribe. If not, just give me a chest. No, why? No, I got too obsessed with this chest. Sorry, don't give me a chest. Please do give me a like. If you don't want to subscribe. So yeah, I guess this is goodbye. So I really don't want to end the video, but I have to. Otherwise your parents will get angry and stuff. So goodbye.